Hello guys, my name is Isaac and welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation of the previous video. In this video we'll be talking about building the smart contract. So in this video we'll build everything about the smart contract, and in the future videos we'll start designing the UI of the smart contract. So in this video we'll build the smart contract. I'll go over to Remix IDE. Okay, let's just create our own code right here. We'll create a new file here. Let's call this to do. So make use of pragma. Let's increase this. Okay, pragma, so editing 0.8.0. What the hell? Okay, let's just change our compiler, make this to auto compile and change the compiler. So we'll create our contract here and we'll call this to do. So I'm just thinking our contract should have the creator and the to-do text basically. Alright, let's use mapping here, and we should have an address so we can define a creator that points to a string, an array of string. So this will be the to-dos, and make this public, and we can call this to-dos. I could create a struct here, but okay, let's just leave this like this, and we should have a function add to do, which takes the string, which is a to do basically, and to do public, basically should not return any value. What it does is call to do's message sender, and then we append, or we push rather, we push to do to it. So we can add another function here that gets user to-dos. So this function gets all to-dos by a specific user. So right here we take user address, and it's public too. So this is a read-only function. So what we have to do here is we can make this a view, and it should return a string, an array. I'm going to give this memory. So we need to return to-dos of user. So it returns every to-do, which is this array of string of a specific user, and why this appends a new to-do to the array. I think this is okay. Okay. Okay, let's just add events to this, because we make use of it in future videos when we talk about listening to events. So we can add an event here. Let's call this event. Let's call this to do added, and address, which will hold the user that added it to do, and this is string. Let's say string for the to do text. Okay, so right here after adding the to do, we can emit this to do added, and we're passing the message sender, and then we're passing the to do user created. Right, so we'll deploy this contract. We'll switch to injected web3. I have ether here, so I'll just connect to the first address. Alright, so connected to the first address, and then we can deploy this. Alright, transaction completed, and let's try our code if everything works as planned. So here we're trying to get user to do, so I'll just copy this address here and get user to do. Okay, we got an empty string. Let's try adding something to do here. So we can add make breakfast and add to do. You can get to do, and you can see we have make breakfast. Let's add something else. Wash the dishes. Let's add this. Alright, second transaction has been completed. If we should get to do's, we have an array with 2 values. So that's all in this video. We just created a simple smart contract. So in the next video, we'll talk about interacting with this smart contract and building a UI for this smart contract. Thank you all for watching, and as usual, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.